incomes stagnate, even as corporate profits soar and the pay of a fortunate few explodes. For even longer than that, inequality has steadily risen.
For over a decade, working Americans of all races have seen their wages and incomes stagnate, even as corporate profits soar, even as the pay of a fortunate few explodes. About it. So members of Congress have a pretty clear choice to make right now. Raise our workers' wages, grow our economy, or let wages stagnate further and give workers what amounts to another pay cut this year.
We should be making sure that people are rewarded for hard work and responsibility, rather than see their wages and salaries stagnate.